Do you know that Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star is actually a song about the planet Venus? And in this video, we are going to talk about Venus in astrology. Hi, this is Nisa with VNS Mystery School, and you're watching Cosmic Little Lessons, your adventure every Wednesday to bridge the gap between you and the oracular guidance. And in today's episode, we are going to continue our planet series, and today we are going to talk about the planet of love, pleasure, and everything nice, the planet Venus. Now, here we have a planet that is close to us toward the sun. Here we have a planet that is wet in quality and hot as well. So here when we talk about Venus, we are talking about the element of copper. And of course, all these association talks about Venus as a conductor. Venus here, it is the yin aspect of the other cosmic partner, which is Mars. While Mars here, we have the principle of action. With Venus, we have the principle of attraction. Now, what does that mean for us? Wherever the Venus falls in your chart, this is the area of our personal magnetism. Now, here we have the planet Venus that is between us and the sun. So here we have a planet that is never further away than 48 degrees from your sun signs. So you're never 2 signs away from Venus. Now, Venus herself, as the planet in astrology, rules 2 signs. And the 2 signs of Venus, they are a Taurus and Libra. Now here you have Taurus, which is a manifestations of Venus that is yin, which is feminine, and also earth in nature. So here with Taurus, you're getting all these manifestations of beauty through the 5 senses, things that are tangible. So our sense of touch and vision and smell and texture. So everything through your 5 senses. I mean, the realm of food here is in the Taurus as well. Now, the other side of Venus, we have the Libra. Now, Libra, the associations of Libra here, we have libro in Italian, which means book, and also library has the association of Libra. Now, if you think about books, here we are grasping the idea of the beauty that we sense through our mind. So some of the manifestations of Libra here, we have art and poetry and fashion and justice, ideology, because Libra here, the beauty of the mind, it talks about things that is ideal. So here again, when it comes to Venus, we talk about the first is going back to self-referential. Here, the glyph of Venus, we have the symbol of infinity, the circle, the spirit, rising above the matter, which is the cross, the time and space axis. So of course, here Venus is a good, benefic, and pleasurable planet, because if you're experiencing your spirit above the axis of matter, of course, life is really good. And of course, here Venus also talks about all the pleasures that we have in life. Now, outside of the sweet side of life, Venus at its core also talks about value. So Venus here talks about how we value ourselves. This is how we considered all of our assets and agencies as our property. And so Venus and Mars, of course, this is the reason why we watch movies and witness drama, is one of the juiciest story archetypes that we have. And what's really fascinating with the mythology of Venus and Mars, they are not husband and wives. They're just this lovers that kind of scandalous in nature, actually. This is the whole story of the postman rings twice and Romeo and Juliet. And there's something forbidden because Venus here, also exalted in Libra, is actually married to a more Saturnian quality. Now, the story of Venus here, you can find it in Indian tradition as Lakshmi, and in the Egyptian pantheon as Isis, and of course Inanna and Ishtar and the Guanyin even. These are all the names of Venus that we have in our realms of mythology and archetype. Now, do tell me, what is your relationship with your Venus? What sign does it fall in? What house placement? And does that describe your personal magnetism and things that pleases you? Now, thank you so much for watching. Know that this is part of the Planet series, so if you haven't yet, please check out the rest of my videos. And I will see you in that next Planet series next Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching.